Okay, let's continue. So the last question we did was question 8. Okay, let us continue it from there. Okay, question 9. Solve the equation log m 324 minus log, and then we have what do you call log base m to the square root to the m, and then 2m equal to 2. So the first thing we notice here is they are not from the same base. So try to make them same base first, and then you can factorize them, and then you change to index form if possible. Right, so here let it be m. Okay, let it be m, don't change it. Log m 324 minus log m. Okay, we want to change the base here, so put fraction here. Log m. Okay, this 2m you maintain here, பழைய base கீழே, so m 1 over 2 you put in front there, equals to 2. Okay, and then solve this question lah. That's it. So log m 324 minus log m 2m, this one. Okay, log m 2m. So okay, log m 2m, and then log m 2m, actually you can what do you call we can actually write as log 2 plus log m2 plus log mm, but maybe we skip that part first and try to do here. M and m you can cut, so it become 1 over 2, and then equals to 2 everywhere here. And then what else we can do here? Okay, so since you have a 1 over 2 at the bottom, so everything you multiply with a 1 over 2. Okay, it a 1 over 2, so you're getting 1 over 2 log m 324 minus this one 1 over 2 and 1 over 2 cancel, log m 2m equals to 2 times 1 over 2 is 1. Okay, and then so we make it this 324, this 1 over 2 come here first. Okay, minus log m 2m, okay, equals to 1. And then now you can 324. Okay, once again let me get my calculator. Okay, so this 324 okay, 324, actually 1 over 2 means what? Square root, right? Okay, can apply first. Log m, okay, log m 2m means log m2 plus log mm, 2m means 2 darab m kan. Jadi we split like this first. Okay, so, and then we try to simplify things. Log m 324 square root. Square root of 324 is 18, minus log m2. This minus and this positive will cause a negative. Log kita kira 1, so minus 1 equal to 1. So log m, okay, log m 18 minus 2, okay, log m 18 and log m2, you minus each other, so we can make it divide. This negative 1 you bring over there, so 1 plus 1 is equal to 2, and then you'll get log m9 equals to 2. Once you get something like this, try to convert into index form. How to convert index form? Ini base. You letak dekat sini. Opposite side போயிட்டு இங்க பெருசாக்கிருங்க. And இங்க இருக்கிற 2 வந்து பவரா மாறிடும். Okay, this 9 kekal di sini. So m square equal to 9. You know lah what to do next. So m is equal to square root 9 and m equal to positive or negative 3. But if you see, we cannot have a log base negative, right? We don't have a log which have a negative base, right? So we reject the negative value lah. So m equal to 3. M equal to negative 3 is rejected because a base cannot be negative. Okay, that how you solve this equation. Okay, quickly copy this.
Done, sir.
Done. Okay. Okay, let's move on to the next question. Okay, next question. Question 10. Okay, if you see here, question 10. Okay, let's see. 2 power p plus 2 power p equal to 2 power k. Express p in terms of k. Ini soalan dia. Alright, how to do this? Okay, let us see. 2 power p is equal to 2 power k. Kamu jangan pandai-pandai pergi tambah pula. You will tell plus like this all. Cannot, because this is not a multiplication. It is a addition. Okay. So how to deal with it? Okay. Let's say your... Okay. Macam ni. 2 power p plus 2 power p equal to 2 power k. You need to express p in terms of k. Okay. So what I can do is u plus u. Okay. Express p in terms of k. Okay. Kita tambah, bukan tolak tau. Ni tambah. Alright. What I can do here? Okay. Maybe I can let first. Let 2 power p. Okay. Let 2 power p equals to u. Okay. Kita cuba andaikan because if it is a multiplication, we easily can solve this, but this is not multiplication, so need to be a little bit careful. Okay, all right. After you do that, we try to plus u equal to 2 power k. 2u equals to 2 power k. Okay, what else I can do here? Okay, need to think. Okay, maybe maybe what we can do, I think 2p plus 2p, right? Why not we try to factorize? Maybe I try factorization. Okay. So both also got 2p, right? So 2p 1 plus 1. When you factorize, you get 2p plus 2p equals to 2k. We try this method. Okay. So what will happen? So you will having this 2p is the same thing. If let's say you let just now as a u plus u equal to 2k, right? So you will still get 2u equal to 2k. It's the same thing. So 2p, you bracket in 2 equal to 2 power k. Sekarang kita nak express p tau. Express p means we want to make the p as a subject. So what I do, 2 power p, actually just 2 means it's a 2 power 1. Okay, but then don't make this thing complicated. I think better you bring this one to there. So what will happen? 2p equal to 2k divided by 2 power 1. So dia akan jadi apa? 2k divide means you can minus 1. Okay, minus 1. So kita dah jadikan equal macam ni. So p equal to k minus 1. Tu je lah. Because the question is just asking express p in terms of k. So I already express it. P as a subject. Okay, that's good. Come. Very good. Next question. Okay, next question. Okay, let's see here. Next question. Express 2n plus 2 minus 2n plus 1 plus 2n minus 1 in this form. They want in this form. This p can be anything lah. Okay, can be anything. Doesn't matter. Okay, so that's it. Hence, you need to solve the equation for this one. Okay, got a lot of sub questions here, and you are given 6 marks. This is example of paper 2 question. Okay, this is example of paper 2 question. Okay, let us see how to deal with this. Okay, first the equation, right? Okay, whenever you have a plus and a minus, you can always break down it. Break down the indices using your law of indices. Okay, how to do that? Okay, see 2n plus 2, that means you times with 2 power 2. Okay, you times, that's why the power plus. Okay, minus 2n, another plus, so times with 2 power 1 plus 2n minus 1. That means what? 2n. You can maintain it as a multiply with 2 power negative 1 also. No problem. Okay. So that I can get everything is 2n lah here. Okay. Right. So you get something like this, right? Okay. You can see everything got 2n. 2n, 2n, 2n kan. That means we can always factorize it. Let's say you cannot see that properly. Okay, what you can do is you let 2n, 2 power n equal to maybe x. Okay, can. Okay, so for example, 2 square means 4. 4 times 2n, 2n means x. So 4x minus 2x plus 2 negative 1 is 1 over 2. 2 negative 1 you can key in your calculator. You get 1 over 2. So 1 over 2 is a 0.5, or just write 1 over 2 lah. Okay, 1 over 2 x. So what will be the solution? Okay, calculate for me, Safrina. What is that? 4 minus 2 plus half.
5/2.
5 over 2. Okay. Yeah, 5 over 2. x. Right. But then they want in the 2n minus 1 power. Okay. Never mind. We try to solve this. Okay. So if I do this, okay, you kembang balik ya. X tu kita jadikan 2n balik. 2n. Okay. So I'm getting 5 over 2 2n. But you need the answer in this form, remember? You need the answer in this form. So what I can suggest you here is, okay, you can see the 5 here. See, guys, you can see the 5 here, right? Okay. And then this one is 2 base n. This one 2 only. That means 2 power 1, you know. That means this 5 kita asingkan dulu. 2 power n divide 2. We can write like this also, right? We change the denominator towards the 2n also can. It's the same thing, right? So equal to 5 2n divide means minus 2 power 1. So see, I get ready something they ask for us. They want in this form, right? P 2n minus 1. So your P is actually equal to 5 lah. Okay, I already expressed on the term they want. Okay, so the P here is actually the 5. Okay, the P here is actually the 5. Okay, we already express saja, jadi tak payah cakap P to 5. You express already in this form. Okay, that's the first part of the question. Okay, second part of the question, they give you a equation there. Okay, kalau dia bagi satu soalan, lepas tu dia bagi satu lagi sub soalan, maksudnya we need to use the information from the previous question. Okay, first we write down the question first. 8, the same question. 8 2n. Wait, let me copy down. 2n plus 2 minus 2n plus 1 plus 2n minus 1. Okay, is equal to 5 2n kuasa 2. Tak payah pelik-pelik, ni senang saja. Okay, baik. Just now we know right, just now we expressed this as a 5 2n minus 1. Remember? We just now expressed like this, right? Okay. And then that is just the bracket, inside the bracket. Don't forget you have outside a 8 there, and which is equal to 5 2n kuasa 2. Okay, what will happen after this? Okay, this 5 and 8 you can times in, no problem. Because there is no power with the 5. So 8 times 5 is a 40. 40 2n minus 1 equal to 5 2, I think n square is a power, right? Okay, it's a power. 2n square. Okay, lepas tu you can bring the 5 to this side so that it form something like this. 4 times 5. 4 times 5. 4 divide 5. 2n minus 1. Ini dia akan jadi 2n kuasa 2. So 4 divide 5. 40 divide 5 is 8. 2n minus 1. 2n kuasa 2. Okay. Dapat macam ni, you need to think. 8 also you can express in terms of base 2. That is 2 power 3. Remember that. And then 2n minus 1 equal to 2n kuasa 2. Okay, simplify these two. 2n minus 1 is darab 2 power 3. Darab means you plus 3, you know. Equal to 2n kuasa 2 And then dia akan jadi apa? 2n minus 1 plus 3 is plus 2. Equal to 2n kuasa 2. Baru kita boleh compare. Ini 2, ini 2. Maksudnya n plus 2 is equal to n kuasa 2. Okay. And then this make it a quadratic, n square. N plus 2, you bring here minus n, and minus 2 equals to 0. And then you factorize it. N, 2 and 1. You must get negative 1. So negative 2 and plus 1 equal to 0. So n minus 2 equal to 0, or n plus 1 equal to 0. N minus 2 equal to, n equal to 2, or n equal to negative 1. Okay, carefully tread with the working. Any part you don't understand, please raise your question.
Sir,
Yeah.
and 5 over 2 in bracket 2n அப்புறமா வந்து 2n கீழே over 2 வருதுன்னு அது எப்படி 2n minus 1
Okay, right. You are talking about here, right? This part, right? Okay, இது எப்படி வருது? Okay, very simple. Okay, 5, 2n. இது divide தானே? Divide 2 power 1, correct? Divide என்ன பண்ணுவோம்? n minus 1 lah. You faham? Law of indices. Okay, this is power 1. That's why dia akan jadi n minus 1. Visalachi? No question.
Faham.
Oh, faham. Okay, alright. சரி, காப்பி பண்ணி முடிச்சிட்டிங்கன்னா சொல்லுங்க. நம்ம next question போயிடலாம். Next is the one I post today one. Done, Okay. Visa done copying?
Done, sir.
Done. Okay, இருங்க. I think, okay, wait. I don't know, I got, why the, okay, 1 minute guys. Why it's showing the, do I properly posted the loose part 2? Let me check. I think something missing here. Once again, let me check. Have a check. Okay, it is properly posted in the Google Classroom, but not on my computer. Okay, anyway, so I download it first. 1 minute. Now no time to adjust this and that. Okay, let me see. Okay, right. Sekarang kita cuba trial punya question. Itu yang paling penting tau. Kalau kamu tak boleh buat trial punya question, very sorry. You must, even your akhir tahun ke, next year trial ke, okay, dia mesti ambil soalan daripada sini. Okay, jadi you kena cuba try buat yang ni. Okay, this is loose part 2, right? Okay, let me continue with a different video.